Secure your cargo using the rear and front trunk. To open the rear trunk, press the switch under the liftgate's exterior handle. Tap the trunk button in the Tesla app or on your vehicle's touchscreen, or enable hands-free trunk to automatically open on approach with phone key. Stand still until it automatically opens. To access more cargo space in the rear trunk, pull up the cargo cover. For even more cargo space, fold down your second row seats by pulling the strap on the side of the seat and pulling the seat back forward. To close the rear trunk, press the switch located on the underside of the liftgate, or tap the close button on your vehicle's touchscreen or in the Tesla app. To open the front trunk, tap the open icon on your vehicle's touchscreen or in the Tesla app. To close the front trunk, set down the hood. Place both hands on the front of the hood, then press down firmly to engage the latches.